Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding below a key area of resistance at around the $0.026 mark, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.018 mark, we have been seeing a very nice recovery to the upside, where we first peaked in that first wave to the upside. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas for that second wave. Then we saw a very nice reaction of the target area and started an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3. And in my previous videos, I have been giving you minimum target areas for that third wave to the upper side by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02288 mark, which is an area that we fully maximized. And you can see that we perfectly fully maximized that target area, and we were able to put in place the high for that third wave to the upper side. And I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is still a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4. And I've been giving you minimum target areas for the fourth wave by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And since that area has been fully maximized, I now believe that Gala Games is now ready for another massive pump to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upside, which is a wave that I have also been giving you its minimum target areas by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.03208 mark. And that is the minimum that I can expect Gala Games to do in the formation of that wave 3. And all we need to see is a break above this key area of resistance, see a successive retest, see a break above the wave 3 high, which is at around the $0.028 mark, and a break above that. Then we can continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas. Alternatively, in case the breakout does not play out and we continue heading further down, then the next area that we need to watch is the fib level 0.5, which lies at around the 0.02, that is the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.02398 mark. And a break above that, then that is a break below the fib level 0.5, then that would be suggesting an alternative scenario, which is even more bullish here on the Gala Games chart, which is suggesting that whatever we have here on the charts is a 1-2 setup, where we can have this as a 1-2, then this is another 1-2, before we can continue gearing up in a wave 3. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave down there to that high, then I have a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, within which we can see that reaction to the upside in case further breakdown continues and we lose this blue target area. And then from this red target area, in case the breakdown plays out, we can expect another massive turnaround in the formation of a wave 5, that is the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the charts. And on the long-term point of view, I'm expecting Gala Games to first complete a 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a movement on the charts, then that will be perfectly aligning with what I have been expecting on the long-term point of view on the Gala Games chart, where I've been saying to you that after seeing our December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, where we peaked in the formation of that wave 5 at around the $0.063 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. Then after seeing the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expect next is the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And once we get a 5-wave structure followed by an ABC corrective structure, then that is enough confirmation that the low for the second wave is in, and the start of this impulse in this wave 3 has now started. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Gala Games chart. On the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.